Happy Tuesday, everybody. Welcome to today's math lesson. In this lesson, we're going to do a few different things. First, we're going to warm up by practicing our counting. So we're going to count 1 to 10. We're also going to count 1 to 50. Then we're going to read a book called How Many, where we're going to count different objects that we see. And last, we're going to learn about a new type of measurement that you haven't learned about yet. It's called volume. And it's how you can tell, it's the measurement for how much can fit inside of something or how much space something takes up. So we're going to learn all about volume later today, and we're also going to talk about it for the rest of the week. So let's get started. Before we get started with our main lesson for today, I want to practice with some counting. So together, we're going to practice counting 1 to 50. We're going to practice counting 1 to 50. So you can follow along with my marker. This little pink marker right here, that's going to be on the number that we're counting. You can follow along with it as we count all the way to 50. Make sure you count out loud with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Awesome job, everybody. We counted all the way to 50. Now we're going to count from 1 to 10 one more time, just because we want to make sure that we know those first 10 numbers. Let's count from 1 to 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Now let's go back down from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great counting practice, everybody. Now that we're done counting from 1 to 10 and 1 to 50, we're going to read a book to practice counting some different objects. Now, to keep practicing our counting, we're going to read the book, How Many? How Many? And we're going to look at the pictures and count the objects we see. How many? How many eyes do you see? Count along with me. 1, 2. I see 2. How many wheels do you see? 1, 2, 3. I see 3. How many wings do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4. How many candles do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5. How many kites do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I see 6. How many windows do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I see 7. How many arms do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I see 8. And what is the name of this creature with 8 arms? Exactly. It's called an octopus. It has 8 arms. How many smiles do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I see 9. The end. Hi everybody, so today for our math lesson, we're going to learn about another measurement. We learned about height and length and weight, and today we're going to learn about volume. Can everybody say that? Volume. So we're going to learn about volume for the rest of the week. First, we need to know, what is volume? Volume is a really fancy word, but all that it means is it's the amount of space that something takes up. It's the amount of space that something takes up. We can also think about it in terms of the amount of things you can put inside of something. So you can think of it as the amount of space that something takes up, or how much you can fit inside of something. So right here, for example, I have a cup, and the volume I can think of is how much water I can fit inside this cup. That's the volume of the cup. And so today we're going to explore volume thinking about going shopping. So when you go on a shopping trip, you might not know it, but you need to use volume and think about volume. So today, for my imaginary shopping trip, I need to get a few different things. And I have a few different bags I can use to carry my things home with me. But first, I need to get coffee. So I have this big container of coffee that I want to buy and take home with me. I also want to get some oatmeal, another big container of oatmeal that I want to buy. I need to get some plastic wrap. I've got this big box of plastic wrap that I want to get. And then I also am going to get some aluminum foil too. So I've got my plastic wrap and my foil. They also have my coffee and my oatmeal. And I brought 2 bags with me to the grocery store today. I brought 2 bags to carry my stuff home. I have this bag, or I have this bag. I'm going to hold both bags up for you. I've got my blue bag, or I have my clear bag. Which bag is bigger? Exactly. My blue bag is a lot bigger than my clear bag is. Look, when I spread it out, it takes up all this space. My blue bag is a lot bigger than my clear bag. So for all of my big things, like my coffee and my oatmeal and my plastic wrap and my foil, which bag should I use to carry them home? What do you think? Which bag should I use to carry my groceries home? Exactly. I'm probably going to use this big blue bag because my little plastic bag isn't going to fit all those groceries. I can try, but, oh, yeah, my little plastic bag doesn't have enough volume to even fit my oatmeal in it. So I'm glad I have my much bigger blue bag. I can get my oatmeal in there, can get my coffee, can get my plastic wrap, and I can get my foil. And so our blue bag has a big volume. It can fit a lot of stuff in it. It has a big volume. And so now I want to get a few more things at the grocery store that I couldn't get last time. What do I need this time? I'm going to get some vanilla. Think I'm going to get some tomato paste. Maybe I want to make spaghetti. I'm going to get some black pepper. And I'm going to get some spices. What bag do you think I should use this time to carry the stuff home? Should I use this really big blue bag? Or should I use my plastic bag? Which one is the right size? Exactly. My plastic bag is a much better size because all of the things I'm getting are small, like my plastic bag. So I can get everything inside. Just like that. I can close it up. So my plastic bag has a much smaller volume. It has a small volume. I have my big blue bag with a big volume that can fit a lot of stuff in it. And then I also have my little plastic bag that has a small volume that you can't fit that many things in. And so when you think about volume, as we continue to learn about it for the rest of the week, you can ask yourself, how much stuff can I fit inside it? How much stuff can I fit inside it? Can we fit more in the blue bag or in the clear plastic bag? Which one can we fit more in? Yeah, we can fit more in our blue bag. Our blue bag is much bigger. It has a larger volume. Thank you for listening today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. We did our counting practice, counting to 50. We read our counting book, and then we started to learn about volume. So the rest of the week, we're going to learn about more different things about volume, and we're going to do some experiments and some exploration to learn more about it. I hope you guys all have a nice night. Bye.